Today on Driven Daily, we're diving into a timeless icon in the world of compact cars, the Fiat 500. Loved for its retro charm and modern practicality, this little Italian city car continues to turn heads while offering a surprisingly fun driving experience. Design that speaks retro cool. The Fiat 500 stays true to its 1957 roots with a nostalgic design that blends classic curves with sleek, modern touches. From the round headlights to the signature front grille, the 500 is unmistakable. Despite its small size, the design is bold and confident, with enough personality to stand out on any street. Interior. Compact yet clever. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that balances minimalism with flair. The dashboard features body-colored panels and retro-inspired gauges, while the infotainment system is intuitive and up-to-date. Although rear space is tight, the front seats are comfortable and supportive, ideal for city commutes. Performance. Zippy and urban-friendly. Under the hood, the Fiat 500 offers a range of small but efficient engines. Whether you opt for the 1.0L mild hybrid or the all-electric 500e, the driving experience remains light and responsive. Its tight turning radius and small footprint make it perfect for urban environments and tight parking spots. Efficiency and eco-appeal. Fuel efficiency is a major plus. The mild hybrid version delivers excellent mileage, while the electric 500e offers zero emissions and quick charging capability, ideal for eco-conscious drivers navigating city life. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a unique blend of style, efficiency, and maneuverability, the Fiat 500 is hard to beat. While it may not be suited for families or long road trips, it's an excellent second car or daily driver for urban dwellers. Final thoughts. The Fiat 500 continues to prove that small cars can pack big personality. With its iconic design, nimble performance, and modern tech, it's a standout in the city car category. For more honest reviews and auto insights, stay tuned to Driven Daily.